Welcome to our Agri-Loop application presentation. Africa is experiencing a food insecurity challenge, with some communities having excess food whilst other communities do not have enough. And Agri-Loop ensures fresher produce, fair prices, and sustainable agricultural practices to curb food insecurity. When we look at the application, what we seek to solve is the agricultural issue on sustainable food systems and waste reduction to ensure equitable redistribution of food and ensure food security. If you look at statistically, up to 40% of food produced in sub-Saharan Africa is lost to poor harvest due to poor logistics and lack of redistribution systems, and we need to curb those problems. Also looking at the environmental impact of food waste, with greenhouse gas emissions being linked to food waste that are produced as a result. And then we would also be looking at composting solutions to ensure that whilst not all food can be redistributed to populations for the purposes of consumption, composting is also a sustainable means of achieving food security through ensuring adequate nutrients in the soil. This is where our application comes in, which uses matching, real-time tracking, and impact dashboards to ensure food reaches those in need, while waste is transformed into environmental value. Reflection of some of the screenshots that appear on our application, and through continuous feedback from the users, we are able to review and track what changes we need to make. We are going to be focusing on 10 African cities, which will then be expanded throughout the continent once we've gone through the initial phase of piloting the application. So the advantages are diverse educational formats, focus on empowerment, personalized content delivery, timely information updates, data-driven content refinement, and continuous improvement cycle. And our application is very interactive with various features that help you track depending on which user you are, whether you're a donor, you're a volunteer, you're a recycler, a receiver, a driver, or a composting center. So we believe that this is one of the solutions that will bring positive change to the continent and is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals. And it is something that can be achieved through corporate